Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm Matt, and in this video, I will be discussing systematic trading. Real beep boop bop, I am a computer type stuff. I will be covering exactly what systematic trading is and how it could potentially improve your trading. I will also be addressing the misconception that you have to be an expert programmer to create a mechanical trading strategy. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy. When I first started trading, I was bad, like really bad. I'm not sure if you could relate, but I was stuck in a pattern of having a lot of little winners and a few massive losers. The overall result was me blowing up a handful of trading accounts. It wasn't pretty. Despite my evident lack of skill, I kept coming back. Some people would call this persistence, but in reality, it was just extreme stubbornness. This painful trial and error process eventually led me to a style of trading that better suited my personality and skill set, but most importantly, is profitable. I'm not going to sit here and pretend to be one of those stock market gurus. The thought of considering me to be an expert trader is comically wrong. I will be the first person to admit that there are many things I still need to learn about trading. My goal is simple. I want to share with you what I've learned along my trading journey and maybe even make you laugh with some subpar jokes. Like many beginning traders, I seem to always be caught in a cycle of wild gains and wild losses. Classic boom and bust. There are probably many reasons for it, but I thought it was because I was never following a concise plan. I took more of a shotgun approach and was always chasing big winners, which, surprise, surprise, didn't work. When my ego finally took a big enough beating, I was able to find systematic trading. Systematic trading is essentially an exact game plan where all of the decisions are made by an evaluation of numbers. All of the entry conditions and exit parameters are defined to the T, which means that there's no need for discretion. I don't want you to think I'm anti-discretionary trading. Some discretionary traders have made boatloads of money. I just couldn't make it work. If you find yourself in a similar situation, maybe following more of a mechanical approach could help you out. You could take this as far as using a fully automated system, which is when your computer makes all of the trades for you. Or you could follow more of a manual approach when you place the trade yourself, but you would only do so when the entry or exit criteria are met. If you're interested in this style of trading, it's fair to wonder about the best way to get started. My background is in programming, so I started by coding trading strategies. I would test simple ideas like buying into the overall market after 2 down days. Basically, I was looking for repeatable patterns that I could profit off of. I'm not gonna lie, this process was slow and pretty difficult. Fortunately, since this approach to trading has become more popular, there are now tools that make development much faster and even generate the strategy code for you. I plan on making a video specific to all of the software I use. I just wanted you to know that a knowledge of programming is no longer a barrier to entry into the world of systematic trading. Moving forward, I plan on making videos about various trading strategies I have found and ones I have learned from other traders. I want to be fully transparent, so I will be explaining the specific rules of each strategy and showcasing exactly how they performed in the past. I think it would be awesome if we could create a community centered around this type of trading. I'm more than happy to learn from you. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Leave a comment, reach out to me on Twitter, do whatever. Let's make something cool. If you're interested in this type of content, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. The support is truly appreciated. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good one.
Beep boop bop, shaboppity doo, scap me.